Here's my Egyptian spinach. Molokhia is the name. I've been picking these little seed pods off when they're like this. You can eat them really good. Leaves are very good too for you too. This unbelievable vitamins and minerals in this. Something that'll grow. They actually do come from the Middle East, so they can handle the heat. But what I wanted to show is that one right there. Last year I grew one, I called it Goliath. This one's even taller. This is Goliath number 2. Look at this. I gotta measure this thing. I think it's probably about 14 feet at least. So I've been picking these. I already got most of them off. The one when they get like this, they're just too hard. You can't. So I'll just leave those, let them go to seed. Save the seed pods. You can either sprout the seeds or there's one, or you can plant them. Seeds are really beautiful color. Kind of a little bit of a slimy. They kind of remind me of okra a little bit, but not really. Just because of the slimy taste, but I like them better than the taste better than okra. These can take the heat, like I said. They survived the 118 degree weather we had, and now it's going to finish removing the seed pods that are soft. The other thing, to see how tall it is, so that I can record that. Alright, here's the moment of truth. There's my tape. It's on the ground. It's kind of hard to do this without another person. This is really hard. This tape is 12-foot tape. Alright, I gotta pause this for a second. Alright, this is not easy. I'm balancing myself on this ladder here. And I'm standing holding this tape, and you can see how many feet we have right there. I don't know if you can see. The shadows are, I cannot tell if I'm catching it or not, but anyway, that's 12 feet right there. So let that go up. It's probably 12 and a half minus the bucket down below that it's planted in. It's down here, you can't really see very good, but it's down here. It's about 1.5 feet. So this is about 11 feet. That's really tall. That was planted. This thing was planted. Actually, I didn't plant this. This thing came up on its own. It's seeds that left over from last year, from Goliath of last year, that just fell and went into this pot right here. And then they came up around May. There's my Goliath number 2. I think it's taller than last year, but not quite as tall as I thought, but still 13 feet. That's what I thought, but it's probably more like 11 feet. And I did want to show one more thing. Come back up here. This is what I got so far. Not too many, but I already picked this many earlier. So we'll eat those pods. They're really good.